If you need to find your Steam Hex ID, this quick guide will show you exactly how to get it in just a few simple steps. This is useful for gaming servers, account setup, modding tools, and anything else that asks for your Steam Hex ID instead of your Steam profile link. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and tech guides. First, open your browser and go to Steam Community, then log in with the Steam account you want to use. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page and click your username. From the menu that appears, select View My Profile. This will take you directly to your Steam profile page. Now pay close attention to the browser URL at the top of the screen. If your profile link contains a long number /profile/, that number is your Steam ID64. It usually looks like a string of digits, and it's the version you'll need for the next step. Go ahead and copy that long number carefully. If you don't see the number here, you may have a custom profile URL, but don't worry, the converter will still help you get the format you need. Next, open a new tab and go to steamid.io, which is a simple Steam ID converter. Once the page loads, paste your Steam ID64 into the search box. Then press enter or click search, depending on what the site shows. In just a second, the converter will display your Steam Hex ID along with other Steam ID formats, so you can use the one that matches your needs. If you're using this for a game server, a tool, or a third-party service, make sure you copy the Hex ID exactly as shown. One small typo can cause the ID to fail, so double check it before pasting anywhere important. This method is fast, free, and works without any complicated downloads or software. And that's it. You've now found your Steam Hex ID. If this video helped, please leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want more Steam tips, gaming guides, or account setup tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.